QR codes have taken the marketing and advertising world by storm. An interesting piece of news that indicates this: just earlier this year, a Shanghai-based gaming company put together an elaborate drone show that had a scannable QR code projected onto the night sky. All users had to do was pull out their smartphones and point it at the sky to scan the code, prompting them to download a video game. Isn't that some really cool marketing? Well, this is just one of the many creative ways in which QR codes can be used as an effective physical to digital marketing tool. But as a small business owner, you don't really have to be that flashy or showy with your QR codes. You can leverage QR codes to really supercharge your brand's marketing through ways that are easy on the pocket and super effective. Be among the first to adopt this rising phygital marketing tool and see your SMB marketing strategy yield the results you've always wanted. In this video, we're going to be talking about 10 ways that small businesses can leverage QR codes to expand business by boosting sales and bringing in high ROIs. 1. Giveaways and offers to drive customer loyalty. As a small business, ensuring customer retention and loyalty can do wonders for your business. Nearly 70% of loyal customers are likely to make repeated purchases. And on the cost side, retaining your loyal customers can be 5 to 25 times less costly than acquiring new ones. There are numerous ways to leverage QR codes for delighting your customers and making them come back for more. Place QR codes on your product packaging, receipts, in-store aisles, email marketing campaigns, social media profiles, and more. Tell them all they need to know about participation in loyalty programs, offers, special discounts, referral programs, etc. Remember, your existing customer base can be an essential driver of business growth for your company. 2. Boost app downloads. If your business is app-based or provides app support, you can make the download process easy for your customers. It could be that customers are interested in your app but don't end up following through to search for it on the App Store and download it. With an app QR code, you can directly lead interested users to a download prompt. Here, it's important to make sure that the QR code's visual elements reflect your application branding well, because people are led away by anything that feels spammy. 3. Increase your brand's visibility on social media. A simple QR code placed at brand touchpoints can bring in a steady stream of traffic to your social media profiles. Be it existing customers or leads, make it seamless for those interested in your brand to reach out to you on social. With social media QR codes, users are led to a multi-link landing page that directs them to the social platform of their choice. Deploy them on any marketing collateral: flyers, banners, packaging, advertisements, emails, SMSs, and so much more. Engagement on social today is essential, and user-generated content can give your business the edge. 4. Help customers find you. QR codes are primarily an engagement portal to bring your customers from physical spaces to the digital world. Suppose you have opened an outlet that your customers are quite not aware of. What you can do here is make use of location QR codes. You can deploy this across channels to bring in customers old and new. With a single scan, make it seamless for all your customers to find you. 5. Getting customer feedback. As a small business, it's really important to put your customer at the center of your business. It's just as important to tell your customers the same. Show them that you really care about providing value and that they have a real say in the product development roadmap by getting their feedback. Prior to the advent of the smartphone and the use of QR codes as an engagement tool, feedback collection was a tedious and clumsy process. But now with QR codes, customers can tell you what their pain points are and how you can address them, again, with a simple scan. You can also leverage positive feedback and reviews as user-generated content to increase SEO visibility. 6. Track campaigns and retarget customers. QR codes aren't just a physical to digital marketing interface. They're also a brilliant way to collect first-party customer data from the physical world as you run your QR code campaigns. With growing concerns about consumer privacy and security, big tech is moving away from collecting third-party data in the digital world. Google will discontinue cookies in a few years, and Apple is ramping up on data security. QR codes are set to become the marketing tool that allows brands to gather important data and insights about their customers. But remember, only dynamic QR codes allow you to do this, not static ones. With a dynamic QR code generator, you can glean relevant data about those who scan your codes, and even leverage them elsewhere. Since QR codes are a great way to capture intent in the physical world, retarget them on platforms like Google and Facebook. 7. Boost your brand's website traffic. Marketers know that driving traffic to your brand website is a necessary precondition for developing leads and ultimately converting. While there are different types of sources for increasing digital traffic, like email, CTC advertising, SEO, and more, what about physical touchpoints? Getting customers from the physical world to go to your website can be an effective way to get more people into your digital marketing funnel. Plus, as said before, QR codes are a marker of high intent, so your chances of conversion will be higher. 8. Build email marketing lists. Deploy QR codes at strategic physical touchpoints to get customers or potential buyers to exchange their email information. ROIs Marketing Solutions, a marketing agency that works with SMB companies, leverages QR codes for a laundromat client that they work with. Beaconstac QR codes have helped them consolidate their mailing lists and reach more people through email. Here's how they do it. Laundromat users usually have to wait a while as their clothes are getting washed and dried. During this waiting period, it's likely that they want to be online and scroll through their social media feeds, watch videos, or surf websites. ROIs Marketing cleverly placed Wi-Fi QR codes on machines and other areas with an attractive CTA to get users to scan. But before they receive the password details, they have to provide their contact information, including their email address. The result? The laundromat received so many email addresses that ROIs Marketing had to update its MailChimp account. 9. Instantly share contact details. Physical business cards are on their way out. An easy and really efficient alternative has been vCard QR codes, aka digital business cards linked to QR codes. With physical cards, customers have to manually type in your email address, phone number, social media handle, reach customer service, and so on. This can feel cumbersome. Eliminate all of this with a vCard QR code. An attractive custom-branded QR code can do this job more efficiently. Given that users are scanning QR codes with their smartphones, you can link contact details to directly place phone calls, link users to social media profiles, or write an email. 10. Boost engagement rates. There are numerous use cases for driving engagement for your brand with QR code marketing. Some of this could include short video content that tells your customer about your brand story, explainer videos about product ingredients, how-to guides, and other interactive content. You can also trigger a gamified marketing experience with a QR code. Providing value through your content here is key. In the long run, boosting customer engagement can really pay off. So that's it. If you're a small business looking to use QR codes in your marketing, we hope you found this helpful. To get the most out of your QR code campaigns, choose a QR code generator that suits your business needs. You needn't look any further. Head on over to Beaconstac to give our QR code solutions a shot. Setting up a QR code for your business with Beaconstac is extremely simple. Here's how you can create one in 5 simple steps. A. Go to Beaconstac's QR code generator. You can also sign up for a 14-day free trial. No credit card needed. B. Choose the type of QR code you want to create, location, URL, app download, social media, etc. C. Enter all relevant details that you want the QR code to direct towards. D. Customize your QR code to make it more appealing by trying out various templates, frames, CTA text, brand logo, and more. E. Generate, test, and download the QR code in your preferred format and use it wherever required. We have a lot more to share with you about all things QR code. Hit the subscription button and stay tuned for the next video. Thanks for watching.